Hello students, we are seeing class 9 science chapter number 1 fundamental unit of life. Okay, and in this we were studying cell organelle. Okay, we have studied different cell organelle like mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, then lysosome, ribosome, okay, Golgi apparatus, etc. Now we are going to see the remaining cell organelles here. Okay. Next cell organelle is centrosomes. राइबोसोम्स हमने देखा था ना, दे वेयर मेम्ब्रेनलेस, मतलब नेकेड ऑर्गेनिजम्स, ऑर्गेनल्स दे आर कॉल्ड, दे डू नॉट हैव ए मेम्ब्रेन. ओके, इन द सेम मैनर सेंट्रोसोम्स, दे आर स्मॉल naked organelle found in cytoplasm. They are small naked organelles found in cytoplasm. Okay, near it is especially situated near the outer surface of nucleus. न्यूक्लियस जो है आपका, न्यूक्लियस के बाहर के सरफेस के नजदीक यहाँ पे क्या होता है, सेंट्रोसोम्स आर फाउंड. दे आर फाउंड नियर nucleus, near outer surface of nucleus. Okay, and it consists of two microcylinders. Okay, it consists of two microcylinders. Okay, and they are right angle to each other. Two microcylinders which are nearly right angle to each other. This is the structure of centrosomes. Okay, what is the use of it? Function क्या है centrosome का? The function of centrosome is to help cell division. Okay, centrosome and centriole, these are two similar type of organelles which are present in cytoplasm. They help in cell division. न्यूक्लियस को सेल डिवीजन के प्रोसेस में हेल्प करना, दैट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ सेंट्रोसोम. एंड सेंट्रियोल also produce cilia and flagella. They also produce basal bodies from cilia and flagella. बेजल बॉडीज बनाना ये एक कंपोनेंट है साइटोप्लाज्म के अंदर रहने वाला. हमें ज़्यादा डिटेल में इसकी स्टडी करने की ज़रूरत नहीं, बस नाम ध्यान में रहे फिलहाल तो भी क्या है, बहुत है, क्योंकि इतना डिटेल में सेंट्रोसोम आपके नोटबुक में सिर्फ नाम उसका इन्वॉल्व है, फंक्शन वगैरह नहीं है. लेकिन फिर भी हम देख रहे हैं कि ये क्या करते हैं, सेल डिवीजन के प्रोसेस में हेल्प करते हैं और सिलिया और फ्लैगेला से बेजल बॉडीज जो है वो भी क्रिएट करते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज वैक्यूल. व्हाट इज वैक्यूल? Vacuole means what? They are membrane bound sacs. Vacuoles are membrane bound sacs. Okay, they are filled with fluid. Some depend on the situation or depend on its function. There are various types of vacuoles. Some vacuoles are filled with food. Some vacuoles are also filled with air. Means we know that carbon dioxide and oxygen is absorbed in the cell, है ना. तो ये जो है ये vacuole के फॉर्म में इनका स्ट्रक्चर होता है, और मतलब ऊपर मेम्ब्रेन का कवर और अंदर उसके क्या होगी, एयर भरी हुई होंगी. तो इट इज लाइक ए बबल. ओके, सम वैक्यूल्स आर लाइक बबल, सम वैक्यूल्स कंटेन फूड, some vacuoles contain what we say different enzymes. Okay, so depending on function there are different kind of vacuoles. Okay, what is the function of vacuole? Function of vacuole. In plant cell only single vacuole is present. If this is the structure of cell, then in the center single vacuole is present, and in animal cell different vacuoles are present. Okay, means small vacuoles and multiple vacuoles are present in what? Animal cell. Okay, now we are going to see the function of vacuole. So its function first we will see in plant cell. In plant cell, number 1, vacuoles provide turgidity and rigidity to the cell. The cells become more rigid because of presence of central vacuole in it. Second, they act as a store house for pigments and waste product. 3, they store useful minerals and salt. Okay, so these are functions of vacuoles in plant cell. And in animal cell, they help in digestion of food. आपको अमीबा की फूड स्ट्रक्चर याद है? इन यूनिसेल्युलर ऑर्गेनिज्म. हाँ, वी विल राइट इन यूनिसेल्युलर ऑर्गेनिज्म. हमने देखा था फूड जब एंटर होता है किसी भी अमीबा में, कहीं पे भी उसका प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन ब्रेक होता है, फूड अंदर एंटर होता है, और ये फूड क्या होता है? इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वैक्यूल इट इज स्टोर्ड. फिर जो इसके अंदर के जो डाइजेस्टिव एंजाइम्स है ये फूड को डाइजेस्ट करते हैं. डाइजेस्ट होने के बाद में जो अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड है, that is also undigested food is also stored in the form of vacuole, and then it is sent out of the body of animal. That we have studied. So digestion is done with the help of vacuoles in unicellular organism. Then they help in osmoregulation. Osmoregulation means what? The process of maintaining temperature of the body. If excess amount of water is there, then it is removed from the cell, and all those processes. Okay, it is done with the help of vacuoles, and they also help in excretion. Okay, so these, and third is they store. वैक्यूल में क्या स्टोर होता है? फूड स्टोर रह सकता है, वाटर स्टोर रह सकता है, sugar is stored in the form of vacuole, waste products are stored in the form of vacuoles. Okay, and also air is stored in the form of vacuole. Okay, so these are functions of vacuole. We have studied near about all cell organelles. There may be some cell organelles which we have not discussed, but these much are sufficient. Okay, so here ends our chapter number 1, the fundamental unit of life. Okay, after this video we are going to solve the exercise. I am sending you the photo of exercise from NCERT book textbook after this video, and what you have to do is solve those problems, all exercise questions, and then you have to upload the photo of exercise to our group. Okay, bye.